I think that the report that the Sustainable Consumption Institute has produced, What's Cooking, is a useful piece of work and should hopefully inform not just policymakers but also individual citizens, community groups, businesses that want to make the United Kingdom's food system both lower carbon, more resilient and fairer and healthier.
Yeah, so I thought it was a really fascinating event, really opened my eyes to the range of issues that we face around food. I'm an environmentalist, I'm really keen on taking action on the environment. I'm volunteer with Friends of the Earth, and this resonates with a lot of the issues that I've been seeing and learning about. We've really got to take action on climate change, that's one key thing, but also look at biodiversity, looking at land use, looking at resource use. And this touches on all those things. It's such an important part of everyone's life that we have to get this right if we're going to really make a difference and tackle the issues that we face.
Okay, well I thought the report was excellent. Brings up a lot of really important issues, and I found today very, very stimulating, meeting a lot of people working in this area. I think one thing I would say, I'm a nutritionist, so the thing would be to actually maybe marry up some of the environmental issues that you're interested in with the impact some of the changes you're suggesting would have on health if we looked at the nutrition composition of some of these diets and the implications for that.
I'm really interested to see this report. I'm really pleased to be here today. I've had some really interesting discussions about the future of the relationship between our dietary choices and global sustainability. I think it's a really important subject, and I look forward to working with people into the future to make rather more of it than maybe we have done in the past.
Well, I haven't had a chance to read it yet, but I enjoyed the presentations, which I found very interesting, particularly some of the comments from the consumers' research that was done. And I think the challenge is to connect the consumption issues to the production issues, and the challenge we face in not tinkering with the food system but actually transforming it. Because if we don't do that, we are really in big trouble, both in terms of equity, in having fairness for everybody around the world, in being able to eat, in terms of health, and in terms of our ability to cope with the climate change that's already inevitable and to prevent that, which is going to happen if we don't change really dramatically.